Okay guys, so I am going to put a router lift on my Ridgid table saw. It's the 4512, and as you can see, it has this open wing here, and I'm going to locate it in that. This is just my take on how this is going to work. So I bought some black melamine plywood, and this is the edges I'm going to use. There's my router lift, the Jessem Route R Lift 2. It's the cheaper one, and we'll see how it works. So this is a quick unboxing. There's a lot of videos on this, so I'm just going to give you my impressions. This is a great router lift, well made. I think it's going to suit me just fine. Here I'm ripping some maple. That's going to be the end frame for the router lift to sit on. This is the wood that's going to be bolted to the wing there. Whoops, look out. I think I'm going to hit the camera. So, I don't know what happened, but I've lost the footage of me planing those boards so that they were precisely even. I so wanted to let you see my planer in action. Man, I love that machine. Here I'm using a Japanese pole saw that I got from Woodcraft for like 20 bucks to saw those to the proper length. Here I'm getting out my shooting board. Make sure the ends are square. I'm not very good at that, but I have it and I use it. So I started out with my low angle jack plane, and it wasn't working too well, which it usually does. So I just went and got my 5.5 Wood River from Woodcraft. So from there, I pre-drilled some holes so that they matched up the holes in the table saw. And then here I'm elongating them a little bit. I use a drill guide. This is where I'm actually drilling the hole. But I elongated them so I have had some movement up and down. And I'm going to zip through this real quick. So here I'm preparing for the glue up and fastening of these to the actual board that's going to hold the router. So again, here we are. I think I've used every tool in the shop to get this little project done so far. If you've made it this far, this is the end of part 1. I'm going to have part 2 where I cut the opening for the lift. I will try to get that done later, but if you made it this far, thanks a lot. I really appreciate it.